Good morning, students. Now, since we have completed addition facts and subtraction facts, now we are going to solve the stories which are based on addition and subtraction. Well, now you will be using your page mark as your ready reckoner. Remember the words which you have written in the plus card and the minus cards, they will act as magic words and create magic with your stories. Now read the steps given to solve the stories. First and foremost, you must read the question at least 2 to 3 times, locate the keyword, and then identify the magic word to determine which order of operation you have to do, whether you have to add or whether you have to subtract. Now let us read this example. All of you must read the example in your mind and then let us find out the question. So the question here is not a fruit seller sold 235 apples. The question is find the total number of fruits sold. Next, we have to locate the keyword. So what is the keyword? The question is find the total number of fruits. So the keyword will be number of fruits sold. Then the third step is to identify the order of operation. So what is the magic word here? See, the magic word has been encircled. The magic word here is total. That means we have to add. Remember children, observe the solution given on the slide very carefully. Each statement has to start with the keyword. See, it is written number of apples sold, number of guavas sold, number of oranges sold, total number of fruits sold. So each statement is starting with the keyword, that is number of. Then all the numbers are written on the right hand side. Observe the slide once again. All equal to's are written one below the other. And the operation, that is addition, that is also done on the right hand side. So once you finish everything, then you will leave a line and you will write the answer in full sentence depending upon the question. So the question is find the total number of fruits sold. So the answer will be the total number of fruits sold is whatever is the answer. So that was addition. Now let us come to subtraction. Again, you have to read the story and locate the question. So here the question is how many pens are left? So the keyword will be, since the question is how many pens, the keyword will be number of pens. Now we have to identify the order of operation. So what is the magic word here? The magic word here, you can refer to your page mark. The magic word here is left. So we have to subtract. Remember children, just like in addition, you have to observe that all the statement, each and every statement must start with the keyword. So because the keyword is number of, so you can see that it is written number of pens with Ramu and number of pens given to his friend. Then see how the equal to signs are written one below the other, and the operation again like addition to be done on the right hand side. Thereafter you will leave a line and write the answer in full catering to the question. So the question is how many pens are left with Ramu? So the answer will be Ramu has these many pens left. So now let us see what all we have learnt in this module. First and foremost, you have to read the stories carefully, maybe 2 or 3 times. Then locate the keywords. Each statement will start with the same keyword. Numbers to be written along with the statements on the right hand side. Identify the order of operation. How? By locating the magic word which you used for making the page mark. Operation to be done on the right hand side, meaning whether you have to add or you have to subtract, you will not copy the numbers again, but you will be doing it on the right hand side. And the answer to be written in complete sentence. So now it's time for assignment. Now, unlike the previous assignments, here you have to do numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have shown how to do number 1 and how to do number 5. You have to do both in your notebooks, and I have also written the keyword for number 2, 3 and 4, which you have to do on your own. So remember children, observe the format very carefully. You start off with the keyword. Each statement starts with the keyword. And number 5, you have to use that different type of subtraction which you have learned in the video clipping. And the exit ticket is very important so that I understand whether you have followed my instructions or not. And remember, 2, 3, 4, I have already mentioned the keyword which you will use to draft your statements. So bye, see you tomorrow.